Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Teman-teman, sebelumnya aku mau ngucapin selamat menjalankan ibadah puasa untuk seluruh muslim di Indonesia dan di seluruh dunia. Dan jangan lupa untuk menjalankan protokol kesehatan untuk mencegah penyebaran COVID-19. Ups, kenapa pakai bahasa Indonesia ya? Yaudah, kita switch aja ya channelnya. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. And today I wanted to tell you how to edit and how to create video by using your mobile phone with the application named KineMaster Pro. And this is the application how to create your video and free, and you can choose whatever the size or the picture or the video that you want to edit. So check this out. This is the KineMaster application that I will to explain to you. KineMaster is application to edit or to create the video, and these apps have the motto like unleash your creativity. So by use this application, hopefully you can explore your creativity in editing video. Okay, let's try this application by click this icon and will be show up the option for ratio of the video. You can choose whatever you want. So in this video I will use this ratio, and this is the page that when you gonna to edit the video, there are some options like media, audio, voice, and layer. Next we choose the media, and we can use what the material in our project. Like this one, I have some material for my previous video is review about the Journey of Yonex product. Okay, the first step to edit the video is choose the range of video that we gonna to make. Let's pick the video. Yes, the first one is this video, this one, this one, this one, and the last is this one. So we still wait for the loading of the video that will be our raw material video. Okay, for the next step is to add in some audio, but first of all we try to use or we try to play the video first. Wait. Okay, after put all the video material, we can put the effect for every transition in this video by click this item, and we can choose what kind of the effect that we want, and I will choose the classic transition, which is the fade off. It's like fade off or fade in the video. You can choose this one, and I use for every single transition in this video. In transition we use fade off, and we will make the smoothly transition in the video. And for the next step is to add some audio to our video by click audio and choose what type of sound that we gonna to input. Let's check this out. I think this is the first part of audio. You can click pause it. And for the next is make sure the audio is similar like part of video. Let's check. I think it's not enough. We should change the position to this one. Like this one. So we can replay the sound. Okay, after put the audio, we can do review whether the audio is precision or not by click play button like this one. And I think it's already enough, and we can do the adding more audio to our video by click the audio and then put in the right way whatever and wherever we want. So after this we gonna to edit the audio. Okay guys, I already put all audio that we need in our video review. So next step is we can add more audio music in our video to make our video more variative. By click audio and choose the asset music and choose the music that we're gonna to apply. For example, in this video I choose project 9 video. Let's listen first. This is the sample. This is the sample of audio, and we can add icon plus. So the music is already in our video. Maybe in the next step we will review the video. Let's try to review. I think the sound of video is quite high than the audio itself. So we can reduce the audio by click this item and put the sound into the low. How about 29%? Okay. Okay, like this one, but still high. We can reduce the volume until 5%. Let's try. It's okay. Okay, maybe this is already enough for our video. So, and finally, we will do the review for all video. Okay, we have the final process, that is the review video. By click this button, we can play our video. It's quite good. let's take a look in presentation. Nah, okay, I think it's already good enough. So the next step is when you gonna to save your video, you can click this icon and you can do export for your video. This one, it show the export project to save our video. So after this, we we can see the project. Okay, after finish all step in editing process, we can see the video that already made by using this application. Tolong kasih ke Kade.
Ya.
Yonex is the world's top sport apparel from Japan that has the main product are badminton equipment. Yonex racket made from nanometric material are the new material that apply nano alloy that has character with flexible and durable character. Yonex shoes have power precision technology that make shoes feel comfortable when you use it. And to support my performance, I use Yonex. Are you? So that's all for video tutorial, and thank you for your attention. See you on the next video.